this plant right here. See this brown limb? What is it? And it's like overgrown within a matter of months. Of course, it's in the ground. It's next to my lemon tree. It's next to Karina. Karina's in the pot, of course. And y'all, it's just, it's not monstrous yet, but almost there. So welcome in, everybody. I'm Salon Diva V, in the place to be, my garden. And I was getting ready to tackle this tree, but I looked at, did some research on it, and it says it's a sugarberry tree. So I wonder, it showed little berries. So maybe I'll let it grow and see. I'm gonna do a little bit more research and see what these berries look like, and if they are edible. I would hope so. And maybe we'll keep it. If not, it's coming down. It's coming down. It's coming down. So today we are moving and shaking in the garden, getting rid of this section right here. Let me pan out so you guys can see this monstrous section. Figurina and Figura, they're doing well in the ground. And I'm about to tend over here to, oh look y'all, I bought me a container for my fertilizer. So I made my own fertilizer out of kitchen scraps, and I was at Ollie's and this was $10, so I picked it up. But today, as you guys can see, I purchased this PVC pipe right here on this side, and we are going to, the other one was bowed. I tried to straighten it out by stretching it and leaving it in the heat so it can straighten, but it did not. It still had a little bow in it, which was preventing me and my rope and me trellising my grapevine right here. So today is the day we're gonna get this grapevine done, and I don't know, producing or doing what it's supposed to do, and not just climbing my fence. So let's get at it. Okay. I'm so mad with myself. So this is not what to do, y'all. Not what to do. I repeat, this is not what to do. So get the other pole in there, PVC pipe in there. Hook it onto the fence. Y'all see the wire, I mean the rope. And I'm going through and I'm like, okay, let me take some of these vines that's not producing anything off the bottom. When I tell y'all, not only did I cut the wrong vines, I cut the two major vines to the doggone grapevine. I cut this vine and I cut this vine, and now I only have this little bitty piece to grow. Yeah, all that grapevine gone. So if you try to do this, make sure you are cutting the right vines. Yeah, I'm pretty pissed right now. Yeah, One of the things that was growing successfully in my garden, I just demolished it. So hopefully it'll grow back before the winter comes, which is in a couple of months. Real life, y'all, in the garden. Real life. Now what I did do, I researched to see if you could start a grapevine with a cutting. And I did. And you can. And I have some cuttings that I'm going to start. And hopefully they will be successful. Yeah, you live and you learn.